The Dodge Challenger Demon has a base price starting around $85,000 and holds the fastest 0 to 100 mile/hour time of any production vehicle. But now, thanks to Hot Wheels, we finally have an SRT Demon that's affordable for the rest of us, priced at about $1 US when it finally hits your local store. I have been waiting for this one, so let's open up this Demon and take a closer look at this little yellow beast out of the box. Starting off here with the color. Now, this model is painted in Yellow Jacket, which is a popular Dodge color, and it's actually one of my personal favorites. And as long as we're talking about colors, the second Hot Wheels SRT Demon is already confirmed to be a Zamac edition, which is definitely going to be one of those must-have models. As far as other colors I'd like to see in the future, I mean, the Hellcat is already Tor Red, so maybe something like Go Mango Orange or B5 Blue, which is a really nice shade for the Challenger. But of course, you guys can let me know in the comments below which colors you'd like to see for the new SRT Demon. Now, some of you may be wondering, what are the differences between the Hellcat casting and the Demon casting other than the name and the logo? Well, starting on the front, nothing is too major, but it looks like the lower grille has more texture on the yellow Demon than the Hellcat does. You may also notice the outer headlights on the Demon look more filled in, since only the inner headlights of the real car have air intakes. Then look at the bottom of these aggressive front ends and you'll see the gray plastic front splitter is rounded on the Demon but is actually shaped jagged on the Hellcat. If I had to choose the most obvious front end change between the Hellcat and the Demon, I would probably say the hood, because you can see some major styling changes. For example, the hood intake layout on the red Hellcat is sort of a triple nostril look, while the Demon has one giant air grabber hood scoop. I feel like that scoop gives the Demon casting a much more aggressive appearance, but there's also another major difference that helps create that aggressive look. Take a quick glance along the side of the yellow SRT Demon and it's hard not to notice the wide body fender arches that are shaped onto this model. In fact, the wide body was a nice visual upgrade for the Demon in real life because it helps it stand out from the Hellcat along with its 840 horsepower. Now let's talk wheels and tires, because the Demon has a very unique set of those. Well, first of all, they are basic black Hot Wheels 5-spoke rims, but the car is equipped up front with a pair of skinnies and fatty rubbers in the back, which makes perfect sense considering the Demon is the world's fastest quarter-mile production vehicle. Here's a cool little fact about the Hellcat casting. The package and car were just named the 2015 Challenger SRT. The name Hellcat doesn't appear anywhere on the vehicle because it's a toy car for kids, but the bottom has the Hellcat logo right next to the name. So looking at the bottom of the new Demon, I was hoping to see the logo, but since the name Demon is allowed, there's not a logo to be seen. Towards the back of these two models, the rear ends are nearly identical to one another with only one difference I can see. The spoiler on the red Hellcat is a perfectly straight piece, while the Demon has more of a fin-shaped dip in the center right above the Dodge logo. But other than that change in the spoiler, it appears the rear taillights and back bumpers are all the same between both the Hellcat and the Demon. My absolute favorite touch on both of the Hot Wheels are the logos on the front fenders. I just feel like the Hellcat head and the Demon face are what really make these two cars special. If I had to choose a favorite between the two I have here, I would for sure choose the Demon, just because I love the color and the wide body look of it. But you guys can leave your thoughts down below or anything else you want to add, and I'll be sure to check out what you guys think of these mad but rad muscle cars. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon with more new Hot Wheels.